Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, your phone and the Toyota head unit. Plug a reliable USB cable now, because wired pairing prevents connection drops. If you prefer wireless, make sure the car and phone support Bluetooth plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi. On your phone, open Android Auto and grant location, phone, and notification permissions so the system can route calls and maps. Once done, set the car's USB mode to Android Auto or CarPlay-compatible mode to allow data transfer and app projection. Now you proceed with pairing and activation. Plug in or trigger wireless pairing from the Toyota infotainment menu, then accept the pairing prompts on both devices. This authorizes audio, contacts, and notifications. Make sure Android Auto is selected as the default USB connection so future plugs auto-launch the interface. Once paired, open Google Maps or a music app on your phone to force the head unit to load Android Auto. This shows you why permissions matter. Without them, maps and voice commands won't function correctly. Finish by tailoring the experience to your drive. Set the Toyota display scaling and audio output to the car speakers. Confirm navigation voice is routed to Bluetooth or car audio. If the connection cuts out, disconnect, try a different certified cable, and reboot both phone and head unit. Simple reboots fix many handshakes. If issues continue, clear the Android Auto app cache, check for phone OS updates, and update the car's infotainment firmware. That final troubleshooting step often restores stable connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.